Welcome to Plantmark's Project Planner. In this video, we'll walk you through all the features and show you how easy it is to create fast, accurate plant schedules for your landscaping projects. To get started, click on Create New Plant Schedule. Enter your project name so you can easily identify and keep track of your project. Then, add your suburb or postcode to help us provide the most accurate information, including flagging indigenous plants, environmental weeds, and freight options. A quick tip: changing your postcode after receiving a quote may affect the accuracy of some details, so it's best to finalize this early. Don't forget to add comments that highlight any specific characteristics of your project. These can help tailor the schedule to meet your exact requirements. Set your expected delivery date to help ensure plant availability or coordinate contract growing if needed. Next, enter your plant supply budget. This helps us provide an accurate quote based on pot sizes, quantities, and plant availability, while keeping you within your budget. Once you've filled in all the details, hit Create, and you're all set up. Now, let's add some plants to your schedule. Plantmark's detailed search options make adding plants a breeze. You can either search directly using the top search bar if you already know what you're looking for, or you can refine your search further by selecting plant types, landscape use, leaf and flower color, flowering season, and much more. For example, let's look for a shrub that is Australian native, full sun, and is suitable for parks and gardens with an orange flower color. I'll select Banksia spinulosa, choose my preferred pot size, and enter the quantity I need. Then click Add to List. Once added, a blue bar will appear at the bottom of the screen to confirm your plant has been added to your project. You can continue adding as many plants as needed. Inside your project, you can change pot sizes, adjust quantities, and add notes for each plant. Notice that we have two pricing options: the average price, which is the estimated average price of what that sized plant is, or the premium price, which is priced higher according to its premium quality. Use this if you need a wow feature specimen. Choose the one that fits your needs. You'll also see if the plant is identified as a weed or indigenous to your project's location. As you add plants, you'll see an average estimated price for the project, helping you stay within budget. When you're ready, you can export your plant schedule in multiple formats. You can generate an Excel document for easy manipulation in your design software, or download a detailed plant info PDF for each plant in your schedule. If you need an official quote, just hit Submit for Quote, and our sales team will review your schedule and provide competitive pricing. When your quote is submitted, the schedule is locked for editing. You'll receive an email once your quote is completed. The email will include a link to review your quote, make any necessary changes, and either resubmit or confirm the quote and place an order. All your projects are saved in existing plant schedule projects. You can search by project name or scroll through your list to find what you need. And that's how easy it is to use Plantmark's Project Planner. We hope this tool helps save you time and money as you manage your landscape projects. If you need any more information or assistance, don't hesitate to contact us through the website. Thanks for watching, and happy planning!